How do you know when you're ovulating? The ovulation process occurs when a mature egg is released by the ovaries. It travels down the fallopian tube and is met by sperm. There's several ways you can track your ovulation. This includes ovulation predictor kits, cervical mucus changes, basal body temperature, and fertility tracking devices such as Mira. There are several hormones that play a crucial role in ovulation. This includes the luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. These are produced in a pituitary gland that's located inside your brain. These hormones stimulate the growth and maturation of follicles in the ovaries. And when the follicles are ready and mature, LH is then triggered and ovulation occurs by releasing the egg from the ovary. In addition to LH and FSH, we know that estrogen and progesterone are also important hormones when it comes to our menstrual cycle and fertility. Estrogen plays an important role to help thicken the lining of the uterus, while progesterone helps to maintain the uterine lining and helps the body prepare for pregnancy if fertilization occurs. Measuring the levels of LH, FSH, estrogen, and progesterone can provide valuable information about your menstrual cycle and fertility. It can also help predict ovulation and optimize the timing of intercourse or conception. This is where devices such as Mira can be helpful in tracking hormone levels and predicting ovulation. It's like having your own mini lab at home.